1.
Sensibo Sky. Turn your existing air conditioner or your mini-split, ductless, heat pump system into a smart AC, reducing your cooling bills by up to 40%. The smartphone app allows you to take any remote-controlled AC unit and have it maintain a comfortable home temperature from anywhere. Geofencing activates your air conditioner, or any remote-controlled AC unit before you arrive and turns off when everyone leaves. Climate React scans both temperature and humidity, using a dual set point to maintain a comfortable real field temperature, never letting the room get uncomfortable. 7-day full week programming, conditional programming and voice control via Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, Nest, Siri and others.
2.
YOTACHE, made from NBR PVC foam material, the AC foam insulation is environment friendly, soft and toxic free, having superior weather resistance, great flame retardant, resistance to high/low temperature, good heat insulation, resistance to oil and chemicals, good sound absorption, can be used from 40°C to 90°C. Excellent resistance to compression and deformation, having strong elasticity and durability, the air conditioning foam can quickly return to original shape after compressing, having good buffer or cushion performance, which ensures long-term shock protection of your equipment. ALPINE hardware support eliminates drilling into your windowsill, completely making for an easy, drill-free installation. The AC bracket works with a wall thickness of 3 inches to 12 inches and works for window openings that are 24 to 38 inches wide. Dual AC brackets relieves the stress on the window and holds well over 200 pounds with simple installation from inside your window.